In this video, I'll introduce you to Model Builder. Model Builder allows you to combine multiple geoprocessing steps. In this example, I'll create a simple model of only 2 steps. The goal will be to find out the cities that are within 5 kilometers from a lake. Towns are represented by a point feature and lakes by a polygon feature. To conduct this analysis, we'll start buffering the polygons features and then use a buffer to clip out the cities that are within 5 kilometers from a lake. To create a new model, navigate to the Analysis tab and select the Model Builder icon. First, we need to drag our tools into this window. We will need the buffer tool and the clip. To set up the tools, you need to click on them. This will open a tool setting. In this example, the lakes are the input features. I have to name my output feature class. This will create a new polygon layer. I set the distance to 5K. Take attention to the unit. Finally, I choose to dissolve all polygons to a single feature. After selecting OK, we can see that the input layer has been connected to the buffer tool, and the new output has been defined. Next, we need to set up the clip operation. Input will be the cities, and the clip feature is a layer made in the buffer analysis. You can see again that the CD layer has been connected to the tool and that it creates a new output layer. You can also clean the model layout by selecting the Layout option. This creates a nice graphic frame that makes it easy to read. If you want to save your model inside your project toolbox, just navigate to the Save As icon, name your model, and save. Before running the model, I'll right-click on the output and select Add to Display. With this option selected, the model output will be added directly to the map once I execute the model. I can now execute the model by hitting the Run button located on top of the pane.